Hello, my friends. It is great to see all of you. I want to apologize for my little hiatus. I know I haven't uploaded a video in 3 weeks right before St. Patrick's Day, but I've been super busy and I've been working on other things. But it is great to be back with all of you. I miss y'all so much. I'm ready to get back in that kitchen and whip up some more delicious Southern recipes. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 270 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Guess what season we're in? That's right, my friends, spring! My favorite season, all the beautiful flowers and smell of that fresh air. Magnificent. And also, guess what holiday coming up? That's right, my friends, Easter. Next to Christmas and Thanksgiving, Easter is one of my favorite holidays. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious Angel Biscuits. And Angel Biscuits are yeast biscuits. They're crossed between the original biscuit and yeast rolls. They're going to be the bomb.com. They're going to be so flaky. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these biscuits would be great for your Easter dinner. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my hot cross buns, key lime tart, and chocolate cookie recipe down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your yeast, and your flour sugar because we're about to bake some Angel Biscuit magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make the yeast mixture. In my measuring cup, I have a 1/4 of a cup of warm water. You want to get it about to 110 degrees. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. The sugar will help feed the yeast. Going to give that a quick stir. And all we do is let the yeast rise for about 5 minutes until it's nice and puffy. Alright, my friends, the yeast has risen nice and puffy. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to set the yeast aside while we work on the other ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 5 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Give that a quick whisk until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in 5 tablespoons of cold butter flavored shortening. And using my hands, we're going to crumble the shortening until it reaches coarse meal. Alright, my friends, the flour has reached coarse meal. Just like that. Alright, that looks great. And I apologize, it was 4 tablespoons, not 5 tablespoons of shortening. Next, we're going to add in 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of frozen unsalted butter that I grated. And again, using my hands, we're just going to toss it until nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. So next, for the final ingredients, we're going to add in 1 cup of cold evaporated milk, my favorite, and the yeast mixture we made earlier. I'm going to fold all this until it's moistened. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring everything and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing everything together and the foam into a ball, and I put it on the flour surface. So we're just going to knead it a few times. Alright, my friends, I'm through kneading the dough. So now I'll put it in the greased bowl. So now we're going to cover it and place it in the refrigerator. We're going to let it chill for 2.5 hours. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the dough has been chilling for 2.5 hours. So now I put it on the flour surface. And we're going to knead it a few times. Using my rolling pin, we're going to flatten it a little bit to about a rectangle, about 1/2 inch. So now we're going to flatten into thirds. Alright. Flatten it again. All right, one more time. Flatten it again. And this will give us the flaky layers. All right, and using my glass, we're just gonna cut them like this into a biscuit. You don't want to twist it. Just like that. You can see the layers. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my biscuits and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through cutting my biscuits and I made them jumbo size, or you can make them any size that you prefer. And I put them in my 90-inch cake pan that I greased with shortening, or you can use cooking spray. So now we're gonna cover them again and we're gonna let them rise for 30 minutes. All right, my friends, this is what our biscuits look like after 30 minutes. They double in size. So now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it, Angel Biscuits. Oh, I wish you could smell the aroma up in this kitchen. Smells heavenly. I love the smell of freshly baked biscuits. See how nice and golden brown that looks? All right, so now I'm gonna pick them up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, look at that beautiful biscuit. I want to show y'all the bottom. Nice and brown. And look at those layers. Oh yeah, nice and flaky. Before I give this a taste, there's one more thing I gotta add to it. Butter, hey. That's how we do it in the South. Close that a little bit. I'm gonna taste a little bit from the side. Look at that. All right, here we go. OMG. These are so moist, so crispy. Please give this recipe a try, my friends. Y'all would love these biscuits. These would be great to serve for your Easter breakfast or brunch or any time of the week. These are scrumptious. Angel Biscuit-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and I'm going to wish all of you a happy Easter.